Hey, this is Mike, and I wanted to talk about dollar cost averaging, what it is, and when you should do it. So, what is dollar cost averaging? Basically, when you enter a position on a stock, instead of buying all at once, you buy a portion of the stock. And why you want to do that is because it's very hard to time the market to try to get a stock at the right price. Like if you want to buy Amazon, you might be scared that, oh, I just bought it at the top and then it drops 2%, and then you feel like you need to sell the stock. So dollar cost averaging is a way to get into a position and feel comfortable. Now, is dollar cost averaging the best idea? It is, with the exception of trading fees. If you only have, let's say, a couple of $1,000, breaking up that money into, let's say, 10 segments means you have to make 10 entry trades. And so if you have, let's say, $3,000 and each entry trade is $10, you're going to spend $100, which is about 3% of the money that you've put in. So just bear that in mind. So one of the best ways to dollar cost average is to simply, if you already have, let's say, $10,000, to go ahead and break that into 10 units of $1,000 each, and then enter each trade, let's say, every month at the same time each month. Now, $10,000, 10 trades, assuming $10 for an entry trade, that's $100. That's only 1%. So that'll work. Also, when you get, your paycheck, you could set aside some money and then put that into your position each month. Now, if you don't have a lot of money, you can still dollar cost average into a position if you want to buy, let's say, a Vanguard index, which is probably one of the best investments to make for the long term to fund your retirement, is just to go into like the Vanguard S&P 500, which only has it has a very low management rate. I believe it's like 0.03%. If you have over 10,000 in the Admiral fund. It's a little more. I think it's like 0.17% if you go into their smaller fund, but that's still very, very low. So using the Vanguard fund is a great way to dollar cost average into an index fund. Also, if you want to buy into Bitcoin, Coinbase has no trading fee, so that's a great way to dollar cost average if you want to start buying Bitcoin. Also, the Robinhood app, obviously, you can make trades for free. So definitely look into dollar cost averaging. It'll do a lot of things for you. You're going to get the best price.